Hello, and welcome to the tutorial video on reporting in iQ-4 Cloud 6.7.3 and iQ-4VIEW 2.2. Our redesigned report editor gives junior and senior radiologists more flexibility and ease of use when creating reports remotely or on site. Open your desired study and navigate to the Structured Reporting tool, represented by a clipboard image in the toolbar. A new window will open. If you want to move the window to another monitor, click and hold the window at the top and drag it to the desired position. If you have multiple studies open, the report will automatically be applied to the highlighted, selected one. Let's begin with an explanation of some of the options. The status can be set by level of completion and verification as seen in this drop-down box. Choose the most fitting option for your report. If you want to save an unfinished report, choose Incomplete, Unverified as status. The Save and Close button becomes active, which lets you store this report in a database for unfinished reports. Changes to this report can still be made later. To finish a report as a junior radiologist, choose Complete, Unverified as status, and then Save and Close. To finish a report as a radiologist, choose a Complete Verified status. Now, the Approve Report button becomes active, which lets you store this final report as a DICOM structured report in the packs attached to the study. Changes to this report are not possible anymore. For teleradiology scenarios, you have the option to change the verifying institution. Simply click on the button next to the drop-down field and add or edit your entries. To enter the actual report content, you have three text fields to input information: Technique, Observation, and Summary, where the first and last fields are optional. If you need to quickly reference the study, you can minimize the report window by clicking the Minimize button in the top right corner, thereby toggling back and forth between the iQ-4VIEW desktop and the report editor. We know that during the reading process, interruptions can be quite frequent, so at any point you can park the report and open a study of a different patient. To do so, simply fill in the Observer field, choose the Incomplete Unverified status, and save and close the current draft. This will be stored in a database for unfinished reports, and changes are still possible later on. As mentioned before, to approve a study, choose a Verifying Radiologist and a Verified status to activate the Approve Report button. To create an addendum or a second report, click the plus icon next to the First Report tab, and a new blank report will be opened. You can create report templates to autofill commonly used phrases and text components into the report body. Click the plus icon in the Templates column to open the template dialog. Fill out the three report fields as well as the title box for better identification, then click the Save button. The template will now appear in the column and can be applied by clicking this chevron icon. If you already have a long list of templates and want to search for a specific one, you can use the Instant Search function under the template list. Mouse over the search bar to see a hint on the search possibilities you have. To find out which studies are still unread, you can either use the Unread page itself or filter the EasyWeb page via the Unread Studies status. Senior radiologists only want to see which reports still need to be approved. They would filter the EasyWeb page for all unverified studies. Please bear in mind that unfinished reports will not show up in the modality filter of the study list, as only finalized DICOM structured reports are displayed there. On the other hand, referring physicians only want to see which reports they can access. They would filter by Read Studies. By default, all filter result lists are refreshed automatically after 60 seconds. An approved DICOM structured report can be automatically converted into the PDF format, including individual institutional page header and radiologist signature, and then attached to the respective study. This requires the installation of the separately available SR to PDF converter tool. The PDF file will be visible the next time you open the study and can be downloaded or printed. Similarly, a DICOM structured report can be converted into an HL7 message to communicate the content with any HIS, RIS, or EMR. This concludes the tutorial video on reporting in iQ4 Cloud 6.7.3 or iQ-4VIEW 2.2 using the redesigned report editor.